These are the new Surface earbuds. True wireless earbuds with amazing sound, comfortable to use all day with long battery life, and a little bit of magic. The sound is beautifully tuned, both for your voice and your ear. Each earbud has 2 mics per ear and filters for better noise reduction, letting us pick up your voice rather than the sounds around you. They work on any platform and have 24 hours of battery life. We know with an earbud, comfort is critical. And so we applied the same relentless nature we use with all Surface devices. We looked at many options for ergonomics and weight. And with the Human Factors Lab, we created a simple design that balances against 2 points in your ear, creating all-day comfort and stability. But what else could we do? We talked earlier about natural interaction, and we wanted to bring that to this. There are touch sensors on each earbud to help you navigate music and calls. You never have to take out your phone. I know that when I'm hiking, if I take out my phone, I'm done. I'll get lost in work. And so we added an intuitive feature to help you stay focused. On Android, with a few simple taps, you can open Spotify, and it will start to play the right music for you in that moment. There's no screen required. You can play, pause, skip, or change the volume with just gestures. So let's talk about the magic. How do you take earbuds and make them more productive? You at Office. Let's take a look. Think about voice and the power of it. The simplest thing is really what I'm doing now, using my voice and some incredible imagery to share some ideas with each of you. But not everyone can hear your voice. And so with this new capability in PowerPoint, the captions you see on the screen are created by the earbud in my ear, Microsoft Office, and Azure Cognitive Services coming together to create captions in real time. That's really powerful. We can also change the language. So if you aren't presenting and speaking the language of your audience, we support over 60 languages, and it will translate as you speak, just as it did here. Surface earbuds will be available later this year, starting at $249.